Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Aiden's Cuts. Today we'll be doing a high skin fade with a 1.5 on top. We're going to be making sure we're thoroughly running over the whole haircut with a 1.5 cut. Then we're going to go in with our skin trimmers and make sure we've got a nice round shape to then go in with our foil shaver. Once the haircut is completely balded out, we're going to go in with our 0.5 all the way open, making sure we're following that silhouette that we just created. Our next step is to go in with our 1 all the way open and then 1 all the way closed, making sure we're always keeping our clipper square and then going in with our 0.5 guard open and then our 0.5 guard closed. Once we've completed that step, we're then going to close our clipper all the way, flicking out, making sure we're getting rid of that bottom line. Once all those steps are complete, we're going to stand back, look at our haircut and see if there's any minor imperfections before going over them. Once our fade is looking flawless, we're then going to go into our enhancements and line up. Making sure we're taking our time and not rushing at all, as this step can be quite tedious. We want to keep the lineup as natural as possible and not pushing back whatsoever. When using enhancements, you do want to remember that less is more, because this is a minor detail that you can add to every haircut that will really make you stand out from the rest of your competition. Once our lineup's looking super crispy, that will be the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe.